In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send or transfer money from GCash to a PSBank account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to enter, and how to confirm your transfer with confidence. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Give it a moment to load so everything displays correctly. Once you're on the home screen, look for the transfer option and tap it. This brings you to the money transfer section, where you can send funds to different banks and partners. Next, choose the local category. This filters the list to local banks in the Philippines, making it faster to find the right one. In the search bar, type Philippine Savings Bank. You can also try PSBank if that's easier. When you see Philippine Savings Bank appear in the results, tap it to open the transfer form dedicated to PSBank. You'll now enter the amount you want to send. Take a second to make sure your GCash balance covers both the amount and any applicable fees that may be shown on the screen. After that, fill in the recipient's account name and account number. The account name should match the name registered on the PSBank account. Carefully enter the account number, checking each digit to avoid delays or misdirected transfers. If the app shows any format notes, like the expected number of digits, use those as a quick guide to confirm you've entered it correctly. Before proceeding, glance over all the details again. The bank is Philippine Savings Bank, the amount is correct, and the account name and number are accurate. When everything looks good, tap Send Money. You'll be taken to a final screen to review your transaction. Take one more moment to verify the details, then tap Pay to submit the transfer. After you tap Pay, wait for the confirmation screen. You should see a receipt or reference number indicating the transaction was successful. It's a good idea to save or screenshot this confirmation for your records. Transfers to PSBank are typically processed quickly, but timing can vary depending on network conditions or bank schedules. If you don't see the funds reflected right away, keep the reference number handy so you can check the status if needed. That's it. Open GCash, tap Transfer, choose Local, search and select Philippine Savings Bank, enter the amount, account name, and account number, then tap Send Money and Pay. Follow these steps, double-check your details, and your transfer to PSBank should go through smoothly.